Howdy ho, my lovelies. How's everybody doing? Hope everybody's having a great day. Okay, this is a London Sea Aquarium 2015. Penguin, mother and baby. Beautiful, eh? So, let's punch a hole in it. It's quite a big coin, so I'm going to use a 1/2 inch punch. Hope all my friends out there are doing good. Bear, Gary, Sarah. Right. This is a 20-ton press. Well, she's leaking again. There you go. She's still doing the business on me, so that's good. God, let my knuckle go again. Right, let's take that out. God, blimey. Jesus, wet. What the hell's that made of? Oh, bloody stainless steel again, surely. Right, I just want to clean it up. This is Christy Burr, my deburring tool. I bet this is bloody stainless steel again. If you're new to the channel, I make rings out of coins. I don't just do rings, I do bracelets now, earrings, cufflinks, key fobs. You can check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. There's a little button here. If you'd like to hit that, you're automatically subscribed. Now I've got it fixed, I won't lose any subscribers. So if you hit that little red button, you're automatically subscribed. Hit the bell icon, you'll be notified every time I upload a video. That's good. I think we better heat this up with Bernie the fire starter. Now I got this coin from a recycling centre today. Me and my girlfriend, we popped up there, got 3 bags of coins, €7 a bag. And out of them 3 bags, we've got about 30 coins. So the rest of them I just bag up, send them back again, because I don't want them, they're no good to me. I think this is stainless, so let's heat it up, eh? If in doubt, give it loads of fire. That was a bit hot. Right, now we need one of these 17-degree folding die. And it's going to have to be this, and it's sunny side up on the ring. It's quite beautiful, eh? Too small? That'll work. I want to get it nice and level. Okie dokie. Go to big red. This is a 1 ton arbor press. Oh, I don't think that is stainless steel. But I think we need to go to a smaller die now, because it's if you go straight through with them, you screw up the coin. I think my ball bearings have turned up from America. So I'll go and check it out some more. Hopefully it's them. Right, let's break out Sandy. I'm just making sure that there's no cracks or splits. See that there? It's a bit thin. So we give it a bit more. Because this is the only one of these coins I've got, so I don't want to cock this one up. I've got a feeling this might be a good coin to do the liver of sulphur. Babe, could you put the kettle on for me, please? My little darling. The kettle's in the kitchen. Ah dear, I suppose that's the end of that now. I'll have to get my own hot water. There's a switch on the side, you have to switch it on. She loves me, really. Where's the kitchen? Yes. There's a lid on it. You have to take the lid off, put water in it, and then there's a switch on the wall. You switch it on. That's it. Well done. I can hear it. You're not just a pretty face, are you, darling? I think I'm going to be in trouble later on today. This might be a little bit longer video, because I wasn't thinking of doing a liberal sulphur on this, but look at that. That'll turn out quite sexy, don't you think? Let's give it a bit more love with burning. I'm quite excited. Yeah, I've only got this one. This is the only one I've got of these, so this will probably be the same price as the 50p, say €34, say. Just want to take that lip out. See that lip? That's got to come out, otherwise it's uncomfortable to wear. I don't need it yet, babe, for a few minutes. Oh, you can bring it in. Yeah, put some in a cup for me, about an inch. You don't want it exactly boiling, and I'm nearly done here, so. Right. So that's the bow out of it. We just want to straighten up the walls, and they're not far off now, really. So we go over to Spike, the bottom end of Spike, and see what we got. There's a little bit there. Make sure it's square. Look at that. First time. Who's a lucky boy then? Right, let's break out Kate Bush. Thanks, mate. This just gets the fire scale off and the just brightens it up a bit. It doesn't really scratch it. It's like quad zero still on the end of this. Right, let's break out the liberal sulphur and our cup. This is just under boiling now, which is, so they say, is good. They say 2 drops, so I always have to put more. God knows why. It's the way I am, I suppose. Right. Now, is this going to darken up? It doesn't look like it's doing much. Could try a bit more, I suppose. I don't think it's the amount you put in though. Well, it's starting to get a little bit here and there. So you got any gossip, anybody? Hey Alan, any good gossip, mate? Hope you're doing well, my friend. Sarah, you got any gossip for me, Sarah? Back over there in the UK. Well, this is it is going dark, but it seems to be going dark in all the right places. If that makes any sense to you. Yeah, if you haven't subscribed, it costs you nothing. And it'll do me one hell of a favour, and I really appreciate it. It costs you nothing. Show me a bit of love. Come on, guys and girls. I'm just a poor old chap. Nobody loves me. Even my cats don't sit on me. They always sit on my girlfriend. They never sit on me. When it's dinner time or feeding time in the mornings, like, yeah, they're all over me, rubbing their heads along my legs and lovey-dovey. And as soon as they've had their dinner, they're not bothered anymore. But my girlfriend, they both sit on her. She can't move sometimes with bloody cats all over her. Still, we've given them a good home. I love them. Any of you guys got any pets? I know you've got a dog. Gary's got a dog. I think that's as good as that's going to get. And it ain't too bad, believe it or not. Because I was going to have to get the file out. I could still do it a bit more on it though. What's it like? I mean, I've never used a lot of this stuff before. I don't know if you can put this on neat. Probably not. It's just a good thing when you're new at something. You can just play around if you don't know, and hopefully it doesn't smell that bad. A lot of people say it stinks. It ain't that bloody bad. Jesus wept. It does smell a bit of bad eggs, but I think that's as much as it's going to get. Well, I think that's it. It didn't really do a lot there, did it? I think the inside got darker than the outside. If that makes any sense to you. I mean, it's got a bit of patina, but the inside looks a lot darker, doesn't it? But there you go, folks. It's quite sexy, isn't it? I quite like it. What size did we get in the end? We've got a size. I've got the EU stick back again. This is a size 71. There is, damn it. And it fits that finger perfectly. So thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day, and I'll catch you all tomorrow with a bit of luck. So bye bye.